Introducing GoPxL, LMI Technologies 3D measurement and inspection platform. This walkthrough demonstrates how to separate multiple layers of scan data using the Array Index tool using GoPxL instance on a PC, with a scan of smartphone camera lenses taken from a Gocator 5512 line confocal sensor. To start, we load and view a recorded surface scan file of smartphone camera lenses. Switch to Perspective View in the Data Viewer menu. Orbit the rendered image to see the underside. You will be able to see the camera lenses and LED bulb under the scratched protective glass. This recorded surface scan has 4 layers. To view each individual layer, use the Displayed Outputs panel below the Data Viewer. Select the Layered Top Surface drop-down menu to the far right and select Layer 1 to view that single layer. Now go back to viewing all layers. Add the Surface Bounding Box tool. Navigate to the Tools page. Hover over the Tools List panel on the far left of the screen to expand the panel so you can view the tools' names. Or click on the arrow at the top of the Tools menu to lock the menu open. Use the Search function at the top of the Tools column to find the Surface Bounding Box tool more efficiently. Click on the Search function and input Bounding. Drag and drop the Surface Bounding Box tool to the column on the right. Place the tool under the Gocator 0 tool panel. Note that the Surface Bounding Box tool encapsulates all layers of the scan, regardless of which layer you choose to view in the displayed outputs. In the Outputs section, enable width, length, and height measurement outputs by checking the boxes. Drag and drop the Array Index tool to the column on the right. Place the tool between Gocator 0 and Surface Bounding Box 1. The Array Index input will automatically connect to Gocator 0 output. Expand Array Index and Surface Bounding Box tool panels by clicking on the double arrow in the top right corner. Drag and drop the Surface Bounding Box surface input node to the Array Index Uniform Surface output. Now, we will isolate a single layer of rendered surface data from a multi-layered scan. Highlight the Array Index tool by clicking on the Tool panel. In the Tool Configuration menu, open the Parameters section. In the Input Index, enter 1. View the isolated layer by clicking on the Uniform Surface output in the Array Index toolbox. Using the index input, we'll isolate one of the layers captured in the multi-layered surface scan. For this exercise, we are focusing on layer 1. Now we will apply a measurement to a single isolated layer from the Array Index tool. Select the Surface Bounding Box tool. Note how the Surface Bounding Box highlighted region of interest has shrunk to only measure the selected layer 1. Turn on Region of Interest by checking the Enable box under Regions in the Parameters section. Resize the region of interest to measure the LED. Now you can add more measurement tools to your desired layers of surface data. You can then output measurements from the sensor using the Control page. Welcome to GoPxL, LMI Technologies measurement and inspection platform.